Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Costco membership savings on EV charger cables. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Costco membership savings on EV charger cables, start by visiting the official Costco website. Log into your account using your member credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type EV charger cables into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the selection of EV charger cables available for purchase. Look for any promotions or discounts specifically for members displayed alongside the products. Select the EV charger cable that best suits your needs. Click on the product to open the detailed view. Verify the product specifications to ensure it matches your vehicle's requirements. Check for the membership price displayed on the product page. If a discount is available, it will be clearly shown on the price section. Add the desired product to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once added, review your cart to ensure all items are correct. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the Checkout button. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping information and payment details. Before finalizing your purchase, confirm that your membership discount is applied to the order total. Complete the checkout process by clicking the Place Order button. You will receive a confirmation email once your order is successfully placed. Wait for your EV charger cables to arrive at your specified address and start charging your vehicle with your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.